Sure, Labrador! This is Dr. Deer! Many patients are here with food poisoning from takeout orders! After I ate, my face swelled up!
My stomach hurts! Oh no! I need to go to the bathroom again!
Did they all order from Baba Restaurant too?
Yes, that's it!
Let's go investigate!
Got it!
The GPS says the restaurant is nearby.
It's hidden deep in this alley! Destination is 5 meters ahead. You have arrived.
Ow! Why is a wall here? Where's the restaurant?
My shop is so well hidden, only delivery robots can find it! You ordered